How's it going, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here. What I have for you today is the Sitivien ST119. Overall, we're looking at 7.79 inches. Blade is 3.35 inches. That is D2, and it really is super sharp. It's got that full flat grind that just comes right there from the opening, and it is super sharp. Gotta tell you. With the way that this is if you're in a natural grip, you see the blade kind of go down at an angle, which just allows some great draw cuts with that nice bellied blade. And the thickness of this blade I measured as being 1/8 of an inch. Handle thickness of this was about 9/16 of an inch, and we're talking about a 4.45 inch length of a handle, so you got plenty of room for your hands. The G10 on this here is pretty incredible, especially the deep milling that they've done on both sides of this handle. And I thought this was going to be a hot spot with the way this kind of, as you can see, kind of arcs up, but it just really melts your fingers into placement with getting into the crease of your digits and just falling right into that grip, which has that nice round backside there to go right into the grip for a nice solid feel. Got some decent jimping on there, and it feels really comfortable in the hand. I've done some cutting with this. Pretty incredible. What's also nice about this deep milling and the placement of where they did put that there of the clip is that you can get a nice, easy, maneuverable position of using that grip for a reverse grip and so forth. Got some very smooth ball bearing action with these. Yep, just drops right down. Sitivien really does know what they're doing when it comes to that. And what it's also nice is you got enough space there from that thumb hole to either just flick it out from that side or flick it out from this side. And it is a nice one. $30 on Amazon. You can't beat it. Black G10 or JG10. There you go. Even got some jimping there on the flipper tab. And I'm really digging Sitivien. They've impressed me with every knife I've gotten. They're all incredibly priced for the incredible quality that you're getting. And this one is no exception. This is a really nice knife. And you can't beat it for the price. Got some nice milling in there. I mean, it is only 4.30 ounces, and it's just got such a nice feel to it. But it really feels like a strong knife to use too, and I have been using it. It does some really great cutting with that very thin edge on there. Comes down to a very strong tip too, with the way that just kind of swells out. So I dig it. And there you go. That is the Sitivien ST119. Hope you like these quick videos of mine. And if you do, or feel like leaving some comments or likes, it's much appreciated. So that's about it. I'm Newcastle Ninja, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.